All right, I'm back on a Monday. So tomorrow's the last day of the semester, and then we're on to fuel intermission. So hope you're doing good. Hope you're doing great. But tomorrow's final, and then yeah, on to the next one. So I'm gonna let you see the vibes.
Please tell me you got that. That was 4K racing.
But obviously, he was all the way over there, so I didn't see him, but it hurt him. It hurt him though.
First he told me I told you, baby mama problems, bro. Baby mama problems.
That's fucking hilarious.
That's a guy go viral, bro. I'm definitely not going to that guy. I got a business to run. Shit to run right now. That's what I'm trying to run. I'm trying to get to the steps. This is how I'm gonna run the business right here. Yeah, you gonna break everything? Well, until I learn. I break everything until I learn.
From the heart, I appreciate them. Oh. No. Pelo primo.
No, that was about 2 6 my baby mama problems. I said, bro, don't take my password. Like, I was going, but I had to look around like, who got kids, bro? I don't got no fucking kids. I'm not even 21. Why this, why that, you get frustrated. All you gotta do is
Yeah, I have my one-hand keyboard on, like For Honor was. I have my one-hand keyboard.
I love For Honor.
Fuck you, cheesy ass.
Nah, it wasn't.
Cheesy, you just trash, nigga.
I was just getting jumped because I was killing the rest of them, bro. I hate it.
No, bro.
Ain't nobody want to 1v1
If you
me.
go into a game with For Honor and expecting honor, you're a fucking idiot.
And that's why I stopped queuing up the
You're supposed to.
I queue up only one big one. That's it. Queue up the domination. You're just gonna get jumped on.
I play 4v4 because I'm trying to get. I always try to get
First one for this.
Keep in mind, keep in mind, I get jumped and I'm a cheerleader, man. I'm not supposed to survive getting jumped. Sometimes I do.
I just feel people
I remember the one time I survived a 1v4 and it actually made me clutch the game.
I just feel I didn't even do that. I just
So once you get that gold fucking rage, holy
Oh, revenge. That's,
boom boom, bro, with that stuff.
that's what I am with some cheerleaders.
All you see is my shinobi just disappear behind, stab, kick, stab. Yo, that stun kick to break your fucking to break your blocking.
Stabbing, you're getting punched. Either way, you're getting this work.
Them stun kicks to break your blocking, bro, was so clutch for me, bro.
I really remember the full
There be people on YouTube, bro. They'll have the biggest shield in the eyes, bro. That's some big ass tank main bullshit. Yo, they were Vikings.
yeah. Crawford's more annoying than Gordon. Especially how they have him now. Oh my God. Hey, I'm a cheering man. Everybody hates me equally because I'm a hybrid. Him, Berserker. My first mate was actually Ocean, but I was a light skin at that time.
It's a nice AI driver.
Huh?
It's a nice AI.
Yeah, that was.
I know. Yeah, I don't know about that.
That's how I'll piss everybody off. I'll force everybody to play 400 against the Meeks. I'd make everybody
Top of the morning.
Ugh. Fuck. Playing me breezy in.
You know what's funny? 400 was one of those games. It was like 60. Well, close to 400. I'm not going to lie. 400 was the house that you used to. I became better at that than my friend. And he stopped playing.
That's a
He didn't shoot.
That's a
He used to be the old. He was the siege. He was smoked by his enemy. Ain't no fuck.
Mohammed, when did you show up? 7:30?
I used to do nah, it's nice up. It's nice up there. Sir, can you clock me? Please?
Yeah, it's that time. We gotta go home. We almost out of here. He didn't do too crazy, but you know, feels good to go home. Bro is stressed. So that means